This is your chance to be among the first to invest in the Phase 2 off-plan launch of Berkeley Square in Manchester's Salford Quays. Almost £1 billion is being invested in Salford and Media City UK to create the UK's biggest tech hub focused on TV and digital media. Designed by award-winning architects, these apartments offer a city lifestyle combined with top-quality interiors in a stunning waterfront location. Prices start from just £220,000 and with huge potential for growth, plus rental yields set to be around 7%. This phase will sell as fast as the last. For full details of availability, brochures, floor plans and documentation, register with Elite Realty Invest for a chance you won't want to miss.